Hi friends, welcome to Riha Craft. Today I decided to show you wall hanging with egg tray. See what we will need: some egg tray, glue, nylon thread, beads, A4 paper, scissor and heat gun. First we have to cut the egg tray, separate the pieces. We separate the pieces that shape. Take one piece, cut it inside, try to make it 6 squares. Now make a shape, flower shape. We cut the egg tray flower shape. Now take a small piece in egg tray, cut it into small lines. Now roll it. Now add some glue. Try to add it center. We finished all flowers. Now take a A4 paper and we have to roll it. Roll the 8 pieces for A4 paper. I took 8 pieces. Now we have to make a frame with A4 paper. Take a A4 paper roller and make a square shape frame. Fix it with glue gun. We finished the frame now. You have to make a square frame like that. Now we have to add the flower in frame. Try to add the 3 flowers corner with glue. We finished the egg tray wall hanger. It's finally look like that. I think you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching. See you soon with my new craft.